Mommy found a workshop bright. Pandas worked with great delight. Starberries glowed like stars above, filled with magic, joy, and love. What a happy place to love. Panda bakers mixed with care. Magic sparkles fill the air. Crystal oven shines so bright. Starberries glowed with golden light. Yummy treats were pure delight. Giant starberries hung so high, sparkling underneath the sky. Pandas gathered baskets too, picking berries fresh as dew. Happy harvest for the crew. Berry cart rolled down the lane, past the flowers after rain. Cheerful pandas laughed with glee, waving happily to Tommy. What a fun ride it would be! Crystal machine began to shine, making rainbow stars so fine. Magic berries twirled around, sparkling lights were quickly found. Joyful cheers became the sound. Berry tower reached so high, touching clouds up in the sky. Panda stacked them one by one, building towers full of fun. Smiles shined on everyone. Juice was glowing bright and sweet. Rainbow drinks were such a treat. Crystal bottles sparkled clear. Happy pandas gathered near. Everyone gave a joyful cheer. Berry bridge was round and bright, glowing softly in